OSCARS has launched its first open call for open science projects, to which the scientific community at large is invited to apply. What is OSCARS? OSCARS is a 4-year EU-funded project that will foster the uptake of open science in Europe by consolidating the achievements of world-class European research infrastructures in the S3 roadmap, and beyond into lasting interdisciplinary fair data services and working practices. The project will strengthen the role of the science clusters in the European research area by developing domain-based competence centers, and by fostering the implementation of open science projects funded through a cascading grant mechanism. To participate in the open calls, read the call text on the website, register for an account at oscars-project.eu, and log in. Once logged in, you can now access the grants platform from the main menu. Fill the form in the grants platform, and you can save your drafts to continue working on them. Once done, you can submit, and you will receive a confirmation email. You will then be informed of your evaluation result via email. Respond to our upcoming open call. And for more information, visit us at www.oscars-project.eu.